Hello, good morning everyone. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ohayo gozaimasu sa lahat ng mga flight attendants ng Northwest Airlines at saka ng Delta Airlines. Good morning din po sa lahat ng ating mga nanonood ng mga family at mga kaibigan at welcome po sa aking bagong channel at ang aking bagong Facebook page na ginawa na Ready for Takeoff. Ngayon lang po, hindi pa po ako pwedeng mag-live sa Ready for Takeoff itself kasi baby pa yung page. Kailangan pala 60 days bago ako makapag-live. So, ngayon, I just wanna let you know kung bakit ko kinreate yung bagong page na yon. Most especially, ang gusto ko kasi talagang mangyari is for the flight attendants from Northwest and Delta Airlines from all over the world, from the US based flight attendants at saka yung mga Pacific based flight attendants na magkaroon sila na to be able to have their own platform so that we can engage with each other and then be updated with how everyone is doing right now, what they are up to, and what new things they're doing now that they're retired. I mean, like ako, former Delta flight attendant, Manila based. Now I am here in Canada, in Prince Edward Island, and I am now a professional photographer and videographer. Partner kami ni Papa D. Kilala niyo naman lahat si Papa D, di ba? So, yan ang isang gagawin natin dito sa ating bagong Facebook page and YouTube channel. Mag-interview tayo ng mga flight attendants and we want it to be as casual as possible. Parang ganito lang, parang nagkikwentuhan lang tayo because I just wanna keep in touch with you. I wanna be updated kung ano na yung mga ginagawa ninyo. Do you have any businesses or mga bagong hobbies na ginagawa ninyo? And beneficial din to for other people who are not flight attendants, especially for those who are aspiring to become flight attendants kasi we will be asking our guests mga tips on mga interview tips, ganyan, ano bang magbibigay ng mga tips for interviews, ano bang preparations ang pwede nyong gawin to be able to reach your lifelong dream to become a flight attendant. O, di ba? Gagawa rin tayo ng mga grooming tips, kung paano, yung mga makeup tips, especially ang mga interviewin natin dyan, yung mga taga Philippine Airlines, kasi I was also a flight attendant from Philippine Airlines. Doon talaga ako nag-umpisa. I was with them for almost 2 years and I just noticed that they're more stricter when it comes to grooming. So, magtatanong tayo sa mga Philippine Airlines flight attendants natin kung paano ba ang grooming. Kasi during our time, si Miss Conchitina Bernardo pa yung nagturo sa amin kung paano mag-makeup. Ang ginagawa niya, may makeup pa niya yung kalahati ng mukha namin. Then the other half, we will do it on our own. So, para makita kung talagang nakuha mo ba yung technique na gusto niya. And of course, Delta naman, it's a US-based airline. So, they're kinda less strict when it comes to grooming. But so long as you look professional and so long as you look neat and nice, okay sa kanila yon. Oo. Hindi kailangan na, kasi sa Philippine Airlines medyo concentrate talaga sila sa talagang full makeup na everything, all the works. So yan, hingi tayo ng mga tips sa ating mga flight attendants kung paano mag-makeup. And another thing siguro, yung mga ways kung paano ka makapag-prepare sa pagiging flight attendant, siguro or hindi lang pagiging flight attendant, to be an employee sa airline industry kasi marami namang mga jobs na available, hindi lang pagiging flight attendant. You can be a ground agent, tapos in the hospitality industry, pwede ka rin, di ba, yung mga customer service, so lahat na yan, parang connected siya dun sa training as a flight attendant. So, this channel that actually hindi siya channel Facebook page siya na I think i-connect mo yata sa YouTube. I mean, sabay-sabay tayong mag-aral mga retirees kasi hirap na tayo mag-keep up sa mga kabataan ngayon, diba? So, itong live na to na hindi ko nga alam kung may nanonood sa akin ngayon. So, kung nandyan man kayo, please leave something in the comment section so I could greet you. And I could say hi to you who are the people in the neighborhood right now. So, yan, magpag-aralan natin itong kung paano ba mag-broadcast o kung paano ba kung ano man yung tawag nila, what's that? Mag-podcast, yung ano lang sa Spotify naman. So, sabay-sabay nating pag-aralan din yan, di ba? Nakakatawa si Tita Malen or si Teacher Malen. Mag-aaral tayo kung paano maging a little bit techy para naman medyo mag-improve tayo, maka-keep up tayo sa mga kabataan. Yan, sa mga younger flight attendants, tatanungin natin yan. And not only sa mga younger flight attendants, anybody, lahat naman ng tao, welcome dito sa channel na to. Whether ikaw ay gusto mo lang, you just wanna get a glimpse of a flight attendant's life, diba? Or if you just wanna reconnect with other flight attendants, wanna prepare yourself to become a flight attendant, then I guess this is the channel for you. But most especially, meron akong mga sections dito like trip down memory lane. I think I've started that already, as you have noticed. Dito yung compilation ng mga pictures natin from layovers, from flights, at saka mga trips, and then yung mga gatherings, tapos yung mga special celebrations natin with loved ones, and then we also have a section na for gatherings only. Yung mga first birthday parties, yung mga kasal, ganyan, and then yung isa naman, yung mga food, kung ano ba yung mga namimiss nating food, di ba? Sana, I wanted to do this because we're a family. Yung I consider my Delta colleagues as my work family talaga. Kasi we've been together for more than, I think, almost 20 years in my case. Kasi we started March 26, 1997. So, yun ang almost 20 years before I retired. So, talagang most nung aming career ay na-spend namin on air. Pati yung mga families namin, naging family na rin namin kasi we bring them on in the flights and during the layover. So, nakita namin lahat kami na we also how we started out na mga bata and then eventually got married and then had kids, had first birthday parties, yung mga nagkaroon ng mga elementary graduation, tapos nagkaroon ng high school graduation, and then nagkaroon ng college, and now meron ng mga nag-aasawa at marami na sa amin na lola na rin. Like ako, lola na rin ako sa pamangkin ko. Marami na akong pamangkin na kinalolahan ko na. So, ganap na lola na ito. Wala na tayong magagawa dyan. Diba? Tanggapin na lang. And, ano pa ba? We wanna keep in touch with each other, syempre. Kahit hindi lang Manila-based flight attendants, pati yung mga other Pacific-based flight attendants. I'm so sorry if I'm mostly speaking in Tagalog right now. Hopefully in the future, I'll be a little bit more techy and put some subtitles sa mga videos, diba? Ambisyosa ang atin ninyo. O, yun. So, iyan ang isa sa mga ating tatalakayin sa ating bagong page. And of course, yung paborito ng lahat, after I retired, I became flight attendant instructor at PTC then ang tawag pa nila is PTC Milcom Aviation Training Center. Now it's PTC Aviation Training Center. And then ang tinuro namin doon ni Tisha is yung grooming and posture. So dahil iyan ay isa sa mga topics na very important sa lalo na sa impact interview. So maaari tayong magbigay ng mga tips tungkol dyan, di ba? So meron tayong mga fashion advice, beauty advice, at saka yung mga shopping, di ba, kung saan man may mura. Alam naman ng lahat na I think I'm really a bargain shopper. So ina-allergic ako pagka bibili ako ng retail, di ba? Kailangan sa akin may discount parati, and at least dapat 30% discount. Hindi pa pwedeng mas pababa sa 30%. Yon. And what else? Yeah, so aside from recorded interviews, we're also going to be doing mga live interviews. Yan, so standby lang kayo dyan. I might call you and mag-interview tayo live online, kamukha nito. And yun, I guess sana bukas samahan niyo ako. Tomorrow naman I'm going to be, alam ko naman ito yung mga gusto ninyo. Like today I wasn't supposed to wear any makeup because I was talking to Rani. And I told Rani, sabi ko, Rans, gusto ko sana when I go live, sabi ko, yung normal lang, yung as organic as possible. Siyempre, kilala niya naman si Rani, sasabihin niya sa akin, ay nako, hindi pa pwede, kailangan mag-makeup ka, hindi pa pwedeng hindi pwedeng magmukhang losyang, ganyan-ganyan, etc. So yan, napilitan tuloy ako mag-makeup ngayon. But then, since naglagay na ako ng konting makeup, the very, very light, tomorrow I will be sharing with you kung ano man itong nilagay ko sa aking mga pagmumukha. Anyway, before tayo magtapos, I just wanna say hi to my mom and my dad, of course. I love you. And then, I also wanna say a very, very happy birthday sa aking very, very good friend and at kumare na si Tin Lustre Santiago. Happy birthday sa iyo, Maricoy. I miss you so much. And then, I also wanna say hi to my wine and dine gang, sa aking mga Pal Batchies group, aking mga Pretty in Pink group. God bless all of you. Sana parati kayo mag-stay tuned. I will be sharing this na lang in Ready for Takeoff page. And I'll see you again there sa susunod ulit. I guess tomorrow I'll see you again. God bless you everyone. I miss all of you. Minasama o arigatou gozaimashita. Bye-bye.